Here is the Honda CR-V and those are the reverse light bulbs. To access them we have to open up the hatch. Now there's an access panel on each side and it's the exact same process for both the sides. I'm just going to do it on the left side one. You will need a flathead screwdriver to pry this access panel out. Get the screwdriver right over there in the small slot and pry this cover off. Be patient, it's going to take a few seconds and it comes right out. Good. Now that's the bulb holder, just grab it and twist it left to loosen it and out it comes. Grab the bulb and pull it out straight. And here it is. The bulb size is 921. Check the link in description to buy the new one for yourself from Amazon. Get the new bulb and simply push it back in to secure it. That's good. Now when you put the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in. See, right now it's not dropping in, so I can't twist it right to lock it. So do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. That's good. At this point, just twist it right to lock it and you're done. When you put the cover back on, this side goes in first with those two clips sticking out. Then simply align the rest of it in position and press it down to secure it. And that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.